Hello guys, what's up? Here is Thomas. In today's video I'm going to talk about something that we normally don't talk about on my channel. I just normally do some motivational videos, business ideas, talk about the online, offline jobs, working abroad. But let's tell you something about laser teeth whitening. White enough? Well, I've done it, and I wish I knew what I know now before I went for it. So I saw these people who had very white, pretty teeth. Usually it's the staff that works at your dentist or some models or so on, and I asked them how did you do it, how it's done, and they told me that lately what's trending is the laser teeth whitening. Alright, laser. So my idea was that they will use the laser. The dentist said yes, 2 hours you have to sit there in the chair with your mouth open and laser beaming onto your teeth. And I said alright, and then I spoke with another dentist, and he said yes, it's done like that more or less, but also we apply peroxide onto your teeth and then the laser over the peroxide, and that hurts. I wasn't told that it hurts by the first dentist. It was a dentist that just wanted to sell anything and everything to me. It wasn't a good dentist. But the second one was a good doctor, and he said, he checked my teeth, said actually they are not, I don't think they even need any whitening, but I insisted. So he said, okay, if you really want, I recommend you not to go for 2 hours, because it's very painful and you might not be able to cope for 2 hours. But I said, no, sure I can, no problem, I'm a guy, I can do it, anything. But still, he said, what about you go for the other option, which is yes, they use peroxide and laser, but only for 15 minutes, and after that they give you an adapter that you apply in your mouth with the liquid of peroxide, and you have it on your teeth overnight for at least 5 hours. Then you repeat that process for several nights. Then the doctor will check you again in a week time, and if he sees, or if you want, that he can still do another laser treatment, another 15 minutes in his office. And I said okay, I'll go for that. So I had my 15 minutes peroxide and laser done at the doctor's, and then I applied and I didn't feel any pain or anything. I just noticed that my gums around the teeth turned white, like burned white, like acid. You apply acid, you apply some chemicals on the flesh, on the gum, but that eventually was disappearing. They were turning back into their original color. And then first night I applied the adapter with the liquid onto my teeth and went to sleep at 11 p.m. But then I couldn't sleep properly. I started to feel like every half an hour a random tooth, just ow, the pain, the very strong pain, like if you had a tooth decay, like it's a urgent acute pain, very strong. It would wake you up, and that was happening every half an hour, different tooth. It wasn't pleasant, it was terrible. I sleep really well, and I never had any sensitivity in my teeth or oversensitivity, but this was like crazy oversensitivity. It was hard to bear with that. So at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. after 5 hours I removed this adapter. I rinsed my teeth, and I was hoping that it stops and there will be no pain. But it continued, even without the product on. It was still painful. No worries. And this was continuing for another 2 hours, and then I had to take a painkiller strong painkiller because these teeth were just in pain. Then after the painkiller I was fine, and it was so bad, the pain, that I thought to myself that I'm not going to repeat this for the next night or any other night. It's too much. It was. Went to the doctor in a day or two, explained what happened, and doctor said, okay, just apply it for 15 minutes at home, your product, and that's it. Don't do it overnight, it's too painful for you. Okay. Then in a week time doctor did another laser treatment, and my teeth got nice shade of white, and I'm happy with it. So imagine if I went for the 2 hours instant, 2 hours laser treatment with the peroxide. That would be terrible, over the top, too much. I wouldn't be able, I don't know, I would have to take like a lot of painkillers after that. Or so now you know the reality of teeth whitening. Yeah, no sweet promises, just reality. What happened to me, I just told you. And if you have any other experience, or if you have any other questions, just feel free to comment under the video. I hope I helped, and give me a like and subscribe and share this with your friends who are contemplating the teeth whitening. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.